Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to our new video. In this video today we are going to show you how to find jobs. Like most of the people commented on our Facebook post, commented on our videos and also messaged us that why our find jobs, like we are clicking on any jobs, but after doing whenever we are going to submit this work, then see this job is not available. So in this video today we will explain or tell you why this happened to us. So in this video, in my window, just see I am on the find job section. So there are 458 results. Like the first one is fresh works signups. This is for international. Unhype download plus install plus sign up only for new users. This is also international. And here you can see that 65 works total and 59 is done at the first work. Now we are going to upside here down CoinNut sign up only for new users. So you are seeing total works is 302 and already done 281. Okay, so we are scrolling more. Beam sign up first payout. So you will be received 0.20 cent for this work and 45 total tasks and 34 already done. Okay, so we are seeing that people already doing this work. So this is a competitive marketplace. Most of the people come to this marketplace because this is trusted site. Like there are most sites in online you will find, but most of the works are fake. Like there are lots of sites, you just create account, do works, whenever you are trying to have your withdraw, then you saw the site is not available, this is a scam, something like that. But Pico Workers is really a legit site. That is why most of the people come to this website to work and earn some money. So this is very competitive, so you have to do competition. So like you are seeing fresh work sign up, 65 total task and 59 is done. So I am clicking on this work. So let's see, this job is no longer available, please try another one. So I am trying to understand you what, like we have seen that on this work there were more works remaining, like this is no more here. Okay, so we are just checking another one, like CoinNut sign up only for new users. You see total task is 303 and 280 is already done. Okay, so if you want to do this work you have to do very fast, because you are seeing in total 303 tasks already 280 is done, so remaining 23 task is remaining. So you have to keep in mind that already 23 people are doing this work and I am on here. No, not 23. Like suppose 100 people are trying to submit this task, but only those people who are in the first will be available to submit this. Like you see CoinNet sign up only for new user. So I want to do this task. So we are seeing total 303 tasks and 280 done. So we are clicking on this work because we want to submit this job. So click here. Let's see what happened. Okay. So you see still this is remaining. So nobody is trying to do this task. So we are clicking back and we want to see another one. Okay, so we are scrolling and see YouTube watch plus share. We are trying to do this work, so click on this work. Okay, so we are seeing that one task is remaining. So if you want to do this task, you have to do very fast. You have to click on the YouTube, you have to click on the link and then copy, then open this, then you have to watch this video, then you have to share this on social media, to social media, and you can't use WhatsApp or Viber. After doing all this, you have to submit the URL of this video and also the social link you have shared on this, and you have to upload the screenshot, then you have to click on the submit proof. So you have to keep in mind that only not you are trying to do this task. Maybe 50 people are trying to do this, 100 people are trying to do this. So if you late, the first one will be able to submit. Like now we will just refresh to check if this work is still available or it has been submitted by someone. So refresh. Okay, so this job is no longer available, please try another one. So what, man, we have seen that one task is remaining, so there are one task, means you have to do very fast as you can. If you see that total 500 tasks and also 200 tasks is available, so you can work this something like, not you can do it not faster, like as normal you can do this and submit, because you have to keep in mind that already 50 seats are available, where you are seeing that only 2 or 3 tasks available. So how you can just reach it? You have to do very fast. Like Coinert sign up, we are seeing 50 more total task is 50 and 0 is done. So we are clicking here, let's see what happened. So just see, nobody is still submitted any work. So we are refreshing it to see. Okay, nobody done. Okay guys, so in this video I try to make you understand that this is very competitive site. You have to do very competition, because only not you are logging on this website. Maybe there are more than 1,000 people now online on this site, and they all are trying to do this task, they all are trying to submit their proofs for this job. So this is very competition. Like there is a table and there are 2 seats on the table, okay, and you and your friends total 5, and on the table seat is 2, and suppose the table and your distance is 5 meter, okay, so you are 5 here and the table is there and there are 2 seats. So you just think who will sit, or the 2 people will only can sit here, so whom can sit here? Yeah, just do a race, those people will be able to reach the bench first, will sit there. So there are 5 people, those 2 will reach the bench very fast, will be able to sit here. So this is something like that. So guys, I am now trying to make this video more lengthy. I hope you have already gotten your answer, and at last I want to say once again that this is very competitive site. You have to work in very competition, like you have to do every work very fast. Like you have seen a work like YouTube, click on this link and go to my YouTube channel and watch my video, and you have to watch my video more than 5 minutes, then take a screenshot, and also you have to comment, you have to subscribe, you have to like, and you have to share my video on 2 social media, then give me proof of all these. So you thought this is not very hard work, I just will click on the video, I will watch it, like it, and take a screenshot and submit. So this is not as easy as you are thinking, because only not you are doing this job. Like 50 tasks is available, more than 100 or 200 people are trying to submit this. So this is very competitive, you have to do your work very fast, then you will be able to avoid there is no longer this job available. Okay guys, so hope you guys enjoyed this video and have gotten your answer. We will upload on another topic in next time. So till then, subscribe our channel and also click on the bell icon for getting the latest update. And guys, if you are not connected with us on our Facebook page, just click on the description box, you will get our Facebook page link. Just like it and also join our Facebook group. If you have any questions, you can post here. Any of our member will reply you, because this is a helpline group. Thank you so much for watching this video.